lane from left.
Hey everybody, we going through Pittsburgh right now. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing.
Oh, look at that big UPMC.
Yep, we're in Pittsburgh PA, heading for McKeesport. Taking my uncle to get a PT Cruiser. Some people call them PT Cruiser. I call them a HET Cruiser because they ET up.
Use the right lane to keep right onto Pennsylvania 885 south toward Oakland.
He didn't have none of this shit on him.
Watch what you do, everybody. Look, that girl's over there getting the money. Look,
Keep right.
she over there getting the money. She was looking.
In 2.3 miles, turn right onto Bates Street.
Give her some money. 2.2 miles, turn right on 8th Street. You didn't have none of this before, Floyd?
Huh?
You've never been on this one?
No.
This is the beltway around here, bro. This is it. This is mountain roads. I thought you'd been on these with the semi.
Oh my goodness.
There.
No fucking way.
Hey everybody, there's Pittsburgh. Looking over there. That's where we go. Pittsburgh.
Oh, after seeing this shit out here, I'm glad I'll live in here.
Wow, what was wrong?
There's too many fucking.
Look at all that. Ain't that crazy, everybody? Look at that. That is some serious view right there in the real world.
Is that the bridge we gotta go over?
You'll see.
In 1 mile, turn right onto Bates Street.
Look at this shit. You remember all that?
No, we wasn't in this area.
Remember all that? That's on the hills, bro.
Yeah.
Some of them houses ain't no joke.
No, sir.
I hope you remember where we're going, in case you lose me. People that don't know Pittsburgh, let's check this out. This Pittsburgh PA, right here, Craft Ave, you know, Boulevard of the Alleys. That's what it is. Boulevard of the Alleys, everybody. That's where we're at. If you don't know, now you know. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see.
They got bars around.
Sure they don't.
Oh, they do have bars on that house. Condemned. Worldwide travel insurance. Okay.
Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, everybody.
Go Go past this light, then at the next one, turn right.
Not this light. The next light.
At the light, turn right onto Bates Street.
Bates Street. I thought they said 8th Street.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto 2nd Avenue.
Going down another hill, Uncle Flo.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn left.
Wow.
Getting deeper.
This is crazy.
My brakes are even whistling.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto 2nd Avenue.
It was a song about 2nd Avenue in
Oh,
Pittsburgh.
yeah.
What was that song?
Billy Joel, probably.
Say,
In half a mile, turn left onto Greenfield Avenue.
wow.
Do you remember these areas?
Fuck no.
He didn't bring you down here?
Nope. We was over on the other side of that river.
Well, we were just on the other side of that river. And we were riding, looking down at where we're at now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, watch. You'll see a highway up top back there here in a minute. Watch. No, you're kidding. We're getting lower. You'll see. As we get to the bottom, you'll recognize he is at the bottom. Look how they pull out in front of you. It's Pittsburgh. That's what they do. Did I do it to him or something? Now the guy in front of him is brake checking him for doing it. Yes, slamming on their brakes. Look at them. It's like they want a red light. Look. Or when they hit bumps, they come to a stop. What are you doing, car? Can I stop to turn right? Jeez.
He's coming after it.
He can't. We don't mind. Look, we have to build the walls. Or bleed
The fuck
the
out.
mud.
Turn left onto Greenfield Avenue, then take the first right onto Irvine Street. At the light, turn right onto Irvine Street.
How do you like that? 3 different roads. Did you see that?
Man, that's going up the hills.
Now we're going back up on the other side. We was over there on the other bridge. And the water's down in the middle.
Wow.
If you look. See, we was up over there.
Yeah. We didn't do none of this shit, man. We was, I don't know where the fuck we were.
Doug, if you're watching this, you gotta look where we went, man. This is it. We just rolling with it, bro. We almost there though, Doug. We ain't gonna turn around. I swear to you, we won't. I don't do that shit. There's no way you can do a whole trip except for 12 miles and turn around. Who would do that? I don't know. I don't know. Man, my goodness.
don't speed up through this town, man. You lost me. Turning this.
You said you go to Franklin. That's just down the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Down off of 320.
Right there's your rent a bike. You rent a bike. You can rent bikes here. See them? Put your
Wow.
credit card right in them and go. They're electric.
No shit.
Yep. Just gotta bring it back to another location, or it won't release your credit card.
No shit.
Yep.
Rent a bike. I couldn't ride a bike. Can't even ride. Well, I tell you, what I went through, you would not believe it. When I got on my feet, and I thought everything was honky-dory, and I got that settlement. I just went down the middle. I said, "Fran, order whatever you want. What's left over, I'm getting me a motorbike, a Harley." She said, "What?" I said, "Yep." So I got her everything she wanted. They gave her like $9,000. The rest, I took down to Harley Davidson over on 12th Street, 8th Street, somewhere over there. And I got what I wanted and everything. But he said, before I let you get in on this big Harley here, I want you to go ride this mini bike. You know, mini motorcycle, you know, I don't want a mini bike, motorcycle. And I was doing all right until I turned. When I turned, I fell down. Fell down about 2 or 3 times, picked it back up.